There is a truth as old as time. A person's life is shaped not by what happens, but by how they choose to see what happens. Some break under the same event, others rise from it. The difference isn't the event, it's the perspective. Today's story carries this truth deeply. Stay until the end, because Arin's journey may untie a knot you've carried for years. Arin's burden. Long ago, in a quiet mountain valley, lived a young fisherman named Arin. He grew up by the lake, fishing with his father since childhood. But as the years passed and fish became scarce, Arin's hope faded too. Every morning at dawn, he set out onto the lake, and every morning he returned with almost nothing. The villagers whispered, "Arin is cursed. The lake doesn't love him." And Arin began whispering the same thing to himself. He became frustrated, angry, hopeless. To him, the lake no longer felt like life. It felt like punishment. The breaking moment. One morning, Arin shouted into the fog, "Why won't you give me anything? I've spent years on this lake." The lake stayed silent. On the shore stood an old woman, a wandering traveler. She watched him quietly. Then she said softly, "The lake isn't punishing you, Arin. It reflects the way you look at it." Arin frowned. "What does that mean?" "It gives me nothing." The woman smiled gently. "Maybe the lake hasn't changed. Maybe your eyes have." Arin turned away angrily. The woman touched the surface of the water. "When you look into water, Arin, what do you see?" "Myself," he said. "Yes," she answered. "One who looks at the water sees themselves first." A small shift moved inside Arin. The woman added, "Perhaps the lake is showing you you." The stormy night. That night, a violent storm struck the valley. The lake raged. Winds shook the cottages. Arin saw the old woman walking toward the shore. "What are you doing?" he yelled. She said, "When the lake is disturbed, its reflection disappears. The mind works the same way. When it's stormy, truth cannot be seen." For the first time, Arin fell completely silent. Maybe the storm wasn't in the lake, but in himself. The beginning of transformation. The next morning, the storm had passed. Arin walked to the lake. The water was calm again, and suddenly, he realized something. The water was the same, the lake was the same, but he was no longer the same. For the first time, he looked with curiosity, not anger. "What do you want to teach me today?" he whispered. Days passed. Arin's perspective slowly shifted. Where he once said, "There are no fish," he now said, "Maybe I should try a different place." Where he once said, "The lake is against me," he now said, "This is a lesson." And one morning, his net came up full. The villagers were shocked. Arin simply smiled. "The lake did not change. I did." A new way of living. From that day on, Arin lived in quiet conversation with the lake. When his nets came up empty, "Maybe the lake is resting," he said. When they were full, "Maybe this is a moment to give thanks." He noticed small things he'd ignored before: the rhythm of the waves, the song of birds, the play of light on the water. He realized happiness is not something you achieve, it is something you see. The lake no longer fed him with fish alone, but with wisdom. The final encounter. One evening at sunset, the old woman returned. "What do you see in the lake now?" she asked. Arin watched the water and smiled. "Once I saw an enemy. Later I saw myself. Now I see life." The woman nodded. "When you see clearly, the lake will always give what you're ready to receive." Arin asked, "Who are you?" As she walked away into the mist, she whispered, "Only a reflection." The secret of the story. In the end, Arin learned, life doesn't try to break you. Life tries to show you yourself. When something looks bad, it is not life that darkened, it is your sight. When something looks good, it is not the world that changed, it is your heart. The world is your mirror. When you change, everything changes. Life reflects not what happens to you, but how you choose to see it. If this story spoke to you, pause for a moment, look into your own lake, and ask yourself, what am I choosing to see? Share your thoughts below. Your awareness might become someone else's lantern. If this story brought you value, support the video, and I'll see you in the next one.